In which state is the seed festival Bihan Mela celebrated by the Kondh tribe? A. Odisha. B. Sikkim. C. Assam. D. Kerala. Right answer is A. Odisha. In which state did Mahatma Gandhi's grandson Arun Gandhi pass away recently? A. Maharashtra. B. Mizoram. C. Punjab. D. Rajasthan. Right answer is A. Maharashtra. In which state was the country's first cable-stayed rail bridge completed? A. Jammu and Kashmir. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Uttarakhand. D. West Bengal. Right answer is A. Jammu and Kashmir. According to the National Manufacturing Innovation Survey, which state was ranked the most innovative? A. Assam. B. Karnataka. C. Nagaland. D. Gujarat. Right answer is B. Karnataka. Which country is going to build a harbour for the Maldivian Coast Guard? A. India. B. Fiji. C. Ireland. D. Denmark. Right answer is A. India. When is World Athletics Day 2023 observed? A. 4th May. B. 5th May. C. 6th May. D. 7th May. Right answer is D. 7th May. Which country's defense ministry apologized for an offensive tweet depicting Hindu goddess Kali? A. Uganda. B. Ukraine. C. USA. D. UAE. Right answer is B. Ukraine. On which date is International Leopard Day celebrated? A. 2nd May. B. 3rd May. C. 4th May. D. 5th May. Right answer is B. 3rd May. In which city is India's first undersea twin tunnel being built? A. Chennai. B. Jaipur. C. Surat. D. Mumbai. Right answer is D. Mumbai. Which state introduced a 5 lakh rupees insurance scheme for toddy tappers? A. Manipur. B. Kerala. C. Telangana. D. Goa. Right answer is C. Telangana.